So there we go, herbs de Provence made. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing another herbs and essential herbs if you like southeast French Mediterranean cooking. This is herbs de Provence or herbs de Provence, 7 herbs. However, with herbs de Provence, what happens is that people add lavender and things now to give it that floral note. However, this is the main ingredients of herbs de Provence. In the bowl, thyme, rosemary. Now, rosemary has quite a lot of these big needles, so I always, when I put it in, give it just a little crush. Make these fine by any chance. But it's going to knock some of these in half because some of these are quite long. So just do that. Smell already is fantastic actually. It really is. Okay, now this is savoury. Fantastic herb right there. Marjoram, oregano, basil and tarragon or tarragon. Mix. Give it a good shufty in there. What a fantastic smell. You know, the tarragon gives like an aniseedy type smell. It is amazing. That is a cracking herb mixture right there. Now, like I say at the start of the video, people add lavender to this now to give it a floral note. This is the main basic herbs de Provence mix. If you want to add lavender or anything like that, please feel free and add it. Okay, there you go. Now all we need to do now is stick that in a bag. So that's it, job done. Stick it in there. There we go, herbs de Provence in a bag. How easy is that? A fantastic, versatile spice blend for the southeastern French and Mediterranean cooking. There you go. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Catch you in the next video. So there we go, herbs de Provence made.